this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to set up automatic slide progression. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Now the first step, alright, hold Control, select your first slide, your third slide, all your slides pretty much. Go to transitions, and here if you have on mouse click, check, and pretty much you have this on. Make sure you uncheck. And this for after, select after, enter here 3 seconds how much you like the slide to last. And then you also have to go to slideshow and make sure you check use timings. And now you can play the slide. Also here, make sure you decide how long you like to have the slide on. Maybe for 5 seconds, one slide, or for more. Alright. Now, if you want to apply the transition for all the slides, make sure you click on apply to all. To add a shape, you can do it from here. And to add text, you can do it from there. Now we can play this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, it works, and I'm not clicking on anything. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.